Welcome back to a new video. Tonight we are looking at AMC. So of course this evening we are seeing big increases today on AMC stock. The price is up by around 8%, so of course not as significant as GME, but this one is still up. Of course we are following quite a significant trend in the past 5 days. We're up about 1.64% on the past 5 days, but of course looking at the lows of the past 5 days, we are up a bit more significantly with 20% gains. The past month is bringing a similar story with huge increases in price, starting off the month on a price around $6, finishing off where we are right now, up about 68%, representing around a 4% increase from the dollar standpoint. So things really are up big in the past month. This comes after a lot of hype is back in this stock. The question is it going to the moon or should you avoid? Well, of course, I am not a financial advisor. I 100% recommend you do your own research, but in this one, I'm telling you all of my opinions surrounding AMC Entertainment at the moment. If you may enjoy, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't already, because we talk about AMC and other stocks every single day. And of course, now that I have said that, let us jump quickly into this video looking at how the stock has been moving today. Right then, so we can see on the one-day charts, AMC is up massively. Now this does come after a lot of the stocks have been plummeting today, but stocks with a lot of hype around them, such as AMC, such as GME, are seeing big increases in price. Of course, GameStop today has just passed $200 once more, which is significant, and now AMC is climbing again. Now like I said, I think this trend is not over. I think a lot of people were thinking that it was for a while, me included, I'm not going to lie to you. But of course, now we are seeing a lot of these bulls coming back into the stock and forcing the price up. So of course it is very interesting how much hype is around these stocks at the moment. It's pretty insane, honestly, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. I think this one is in a more realistic price area than GameStop is, because of course looking at the fundamentals for this one, they are solid anyway. It's one of the largest, if not the largest, theatre company in the world, and for me at least that does stand for something with this stock. But ultimately the question is, would I buy it right now? Well, at the moment, I would actually not buy this one unless you're willing to deal with quite a lot of risk and the potential that it could go down. Now, don't get me wrong, as soon as I say that, I think a lot of people think that I believe that it is going to zero. Absolutely, I don't believe that is the case, but I think it is possible that we could go back down to around the $8 range, perhaps a $7 or even $6 range, and sit there for some time. I think what we have found out in the past few weeks and months is that a lot of people do like this company, and a lot of people are looking to hold this one long term. I think what has happened publicity-wise for this stock at the moment has been boosting the share price a lot. I think this will continue on into the future. For example, when people found out that this company is looking to open some of their New York theatre cinemas, or theatres at least, we have seen a big increase in share price, which may not have been the case otherwise. So of course that's not a bad thing. I think this one is a fantastic company fundamentally, and of course it does have that big potential anyway. I wouldn't be surprised if the price was to sit between the $6 and $10 range in the future now, as a lot more people do want to hold this one long term anyway. I wouldn't be surprised either if it was to pop. I would say it definitely could reach $15 in the next few weeks, but of course that is more of a high-end estimate and that is not guaranteed. So please do be aware of the risks when looking into this one, but honestly I think this growth phase is not over for this one. I think a lot of people are still hyped up about this one. I think subsequently, if they do continue to keep pumping the stock, it could absolutely reach past $10 tomorrow and perhaps past 15 or 20 even in the next few weeks. But we'll just have to see if the hype does keep up, and of course it's not guaranteed that it will, and that is what people need to be most aware of. But yeah guys, it's not a bad position right now, but please do be aware of the price that you are getting in, because right now I personally do believe this is too high if you are getting into it for the fundamentals. Obviously for the short term it is risky anyway, but perhaps it could be a decent quick trade if you are willing to manage the large amount of risk which is associated with this one at the moment. But please do tell me what you are doing down in the comments. I will try to respond to every single one. Obviously if I can't, I'm very sorry, but I will do my best. So thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye until then, and of course have a wonderful rest of your day.